Hello everyone! Welcome back to another fun video. Today, we're going to do something simple, but really satisfying. We're going to play with stickers and create a fun character using different facial expressions and accessories right in front of us. We have one character with several stickers waiting to be placed, different eyes, mouths, eyebrows, and even some cute accessories. But there is one problem. We don't know what the final character is going to look like. So today, we're going to choose the stickers one by one and see what happens. Will the character look cute, funny, or maybe completely weird? Let's find out. Let's start with one of the most important parts, the eyes. We have several different eye stickers here. Some look happy, some look confused, and some look a little angry. The eyes are the windows to the soul, defining how a character feels. Rounded eyes project innocence and warmth, while narrow eyes suggest mischief or suspicion. Let me try these eyes, carefully peeling the sticker off so we don't bend it. Now, let's place it right in the middle of the face slowly, making sure the position looks right and done. Wow, the expression already looks completely different, as if the character is watching something very carefully. But the face isn't complete yet, so now it's time to choose the mouth. The mouth can completely change the character's expression, defining the scale and intensity of emotion. We have several choices here: a smiling mouth, an open mouth, a mouth with teeth, and some really funny expressions. Let's try this big one. Peel it off, place it carefully a little lower, and haha, the expression changed immediately. Now the character looks completely surprised, making the combination of these eyes and mouth actually pretty funny. I think something is still missing to give the character more personality, which is found in the small nuances like eyebrows and accent details. Eyebrows are absolute secret weapons in visual storytelling. Slanting them inward creates determination, while slanting them outward shows sympathy. Let's try placing one eyebrow above the left eye and another above the right eye. Look at that! The expression changed again, making the character look like it's wondering what's going on, almost as if saying, "Why am I here? Ha ha!" Now let me add a small nose right in the middle of the face to anchor the design, balance the spacing, and connect all the features. We still have plenty of stickers left, so let's not stop yet. Repealable sticker sets allow endless experimentation without pressure. Let's switch the mouth to a happy smile. Wow, the character looks much friendlier now. But what if we change the eyes too? We could make the character look sleepy, extremely surprised, or even a little angry simply by switching a few stickers. Let me try something strange, serious-looking eyes paired with a big smile. Haha, that's actually pretty funny, looking like the character is trying really hard not to laugh.